Hey quiz lovers, welcome back to CJ's MagicVerse. Are you ready to take another exciting challenge of Choose Your Lunchbox edition? Totally, there are 20 questions and you will have 10 seconds to guess each one. Before going next, make sure you subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. So, let's go. Choose your egg. Choose your burger. Choose your sandwich. Choose your skewer. Choose your noodle. Choose your chips. Choose your candies. Choose your cotton candy. Choose your fries. Choose your hot dog. Choose your cupcake. Choose your pie. Choose your drink. Choose your popcorn. Choose your waffles. Choose your pancakes. Choose your pizza. Choose your tacos. Choose your cake. Choose your corn dog. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy this video. Write and comment below which thing you like in your lunchbox. Share this video with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss any update. See you soon in the next video.